Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to update your relationship status on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're making things official or simply updating your profile, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, locate the About section. You'll find it near the top of your page, right below your cover photo. Click on it to access more detailed information about yourself. Next, look for the Family and Relationships section in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see your current relationship status displayed. If you haven't set one yet, this area will be blank. To make changes, click on the small edit icon next to your relationship status. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for relationship statuses, such as single, married, or in a relationship. Select in a relationship from the list. Once you've chosen your new status, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your relationship status is now updated and ready to be shared with friends, or kept private if you prefer. Updating your relationship status on Facebook is a simple way to share important life updates or keep your profile accurate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped.